Hey everybody, welcome to Dad Mods. Well, today more just a show and tell. I was snooping around on Facebook a little bit ago and came across just an amazing deal for some really good stuff. I just wanted to share. So here we are. Also, for anybody who cares, I don't know if you can notice or not, but the audio quality should be much better. I got myself a little, well, I upgraded the audio, so I hope it makes a difference. Anyhow, so what I got here? Pay no attention to this one. I made this one just the other day here, uh, but this strap came with all of the rest of what you see here. So I threw that on here. An Uncle Seiko waffle strap. These are actually a lot nicer than I thought, but anywho, I also have another one, brand new as well. Sorry for bumping the camera. Now this watch, might as well get there. This watch came on this strap here. Still a nice strap, but not my flavor. So what I did, and the watch itself needed a little bit of TLC. So what I did was I tore it all apart completely, cleaned everything up, got everything working good, changed a few things, upgraded a few things, and this is what I'm left with. Now, like I say, this is all part of what I purchased in this bundle of pieces here, minus the Strapco bracelet. I put this on here. But this Marine Master titanium and steel clasp was included in this little bundle here, which that's really cool. I like that. It's quite comfortable. And it's a little thicker than the average, but it doesn't really bother me. But the watch itself, really nice build the guy did. I think he just lost interest halfway through. So it just needed a little bit of TLC, needed a little bit of help here and there. Other than that, it's a great watch, really nice. I had to clean this up a little bit, get it moving properly. Things were bound up pretty good. But the dial is an OEM SKX 171 dial. Uh, Ceramic bezel insert. Grand Seiko hands, which I thought was an odd choice, but it's not so bad. I like it actually. It's not horrible. I did change the movement just because I'm a little more fond of the kanji movements, so I swapped the movement. It's got a nice signed crown, drilled lugs. Just it's a slim case back. I do believe it's Crystal Times. Case is Crystal Times, I'm pretty sure. Uh, Bezel insert is Moki Mods. The chapter ring inside there is Lucius Altillier. I apologize if I'm slaughtering that. Yeah, no, some really nice parts there. So I couldn't say no for the price. And like I say, with that Marine Master clasp on there, I've been wearing it for a few days, or a couple of days now. Wears really nice, looks really good. I'm happy with that. Here, take a look at some other parts. Excuse me. I got another like NATO strap here. That's like a kind of a really beefy one. I'm not sure what brand that is. I got I think it's a Barton canvas strap. Now I just just was thinking about the name of this, and I can't remember the name of this type strap, this design. Just had it in my head. Now I forget. But I got that anyway. Another needle strap. I'm pretty sure. No, I'm not going to say because I don't know whose that is either. I got a second OEM SKX 171 dial. That's super cool. So happy about that. That's really nice. That, excuse me, these two dials, the two dials themselves was worth the price of the purchase. You know, got a couple extra crystal gaskets, SKX crystal gaskets. I actually used one for when I pulled it all apart. I put in a new gasket, so I had 3 of them. Whole extra bag of fat Seiko bars and some the quick release bars in there. Yeah. So honestly, keep a lookout, you guys. You never know what kind of really good deals you might find. It's not that the fella didn't know what he had. He was just stepping away from the hobby. So he just wanted to get rid of the stuff and recoup at least a chunk of his money. I was more than happy to pay what he was asking, believe me. So anyway, just a short vid today. Just wanted to share with you guys. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this 100% the way it is. At the moment, I like it, but I can always change whatever I want. I like that the blue AR on the sapphire crystal though. Anyhow, thanks again for watching, you guys. Appreciate you all. Have a wonderful day. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you all again soon.